Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to solve a program to find the median value in a list of integers using the Java Stream API. So in this program here mentioned like the median value. So what is the median? Median is a statistical measure that represents the middle value in a set of number when they are arranged in order. So according to the definition, so we need to sort into that ascending order. So how to calculate the median? So firstly we will sort the numbers in ascending order, and then we have to get the two situation. That means in the list how many number or how many elements in there. So if odd, so that time middle element is the median element, so we can easily identify. For example, if I have the list like 1 3 5 7 9, so you can count that 1 2 3 4 5. So totally the 5 element, and if you see here in that in the middle is the 5, so 5 is the median. And for even element, so in the median the average of the two middle element. So if I have like a list like a 1 3 5 7 9 11, so you can see here total number of the 6 2 4 2 4 2 plus 6. So total we have the 6 numbers, so we need to find that center. So if you count the 3 and 3, so that time 2 and 2, so it will get the number 2. So 5 and 7 is the middle of that number, and so that's so we can add 5 plus 7 divided by 2, and then we will get the 6. So if I take that simple input, so and other way we can understand that's the logic. So firstly we need to calculate that how many numbers present in that list, and just count it, and just add all the element like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Then just after adding, so we need to divide by the total number. So if you see here example, if you see in that input sample, so 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 plus 9 25 divided by total number. So you can count the number 1 2 3 4 5. So we will get that output after the dividing the number 5. So, and for second simple input, if you see here, so total number is the 6, but if you adding here that 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 plus 9 25 plus 11 36 divided by 6, so we will get that output of 6. Now I'm going to create a class, and I will write the logic. I opened the IntelliJ and created a class here, median value, and just giving the program number. So this is the program number 14, and I mentioned here that question with simple input output. And now I'm going to write the main method. So now, so we need to create a list, integer of list. So I'm going to create here list, and passing here type as a integer, and I will keep as a reference name as a numbers equals, and I will use here like arrays dot h list to create the list. I created a list, and I need to initialize this list, so I will use here 1 3 5 7 and 9. So we will keep as a simple input as per you can see here the sample input. So I just keep here 1 3 5 7 9, and now I'm going to import this list. So just clicking here import class, and now imported here, and now firstly we need to that sort the element. So by default it's already sorted if you see, but we need to confirm once it's sorted. So I will use here list. Actually whenever we will take that runtime or compile time, so so don't know it's sorted or unsorted. So firstly we need to write here the one more integer of list, and I will keep here sorted numbers, and I will convert like integer of list to stream. So I will use here numbers dot stream, and a stream dot I will use here sorted, and it will sort that value in ascending order. Then I will collect that list. So I will use here collect. Inside a collect we need to pass that collectors to list, so it will convert like a stream API to list. So now I'm going to check the size, how many elements are there. So we will count that. So I will use here int size, and I will get that. So I just taken that number. So this is the original numbers, and so numbers here, or we can take either sorted number or numbers. So because both are elements same, just changing the order. So I will keep here, and here I will click the size, and now I'm going to check that its number. So we will get that median. So I will use here double, and I will keep a variable name median. In this median we need to check the size, and if size modulus divided by 2, that means if having the size even or odd, so we will get here the size accordingly. So I will check this, it's divisible by 0, and remainder is the 0, then condition true, and in this condition true, so that time we will check here. Yeah, sorted numbers dot, we will get that size. So I here get, and in this gate we need to pass here. So I will pass here size divided by 2, so it will give the middle, and I will keep it a minus because size giving the total number, and index starts from 0, so I will just decrease 1. Then I will add here like a sorted number dot gate, and in this gate method we need to pass the size, we need to pass the index, but how I know that is right index. So I will find out that index. Yeah, so in this index I will use here size divided by 2, so it will give the middle, and so in this total number, or we are defining here like so divided by 2. So I just added here first condition, and then I will add here, so it won't be take the 2, so I will add here like 2.0, and here something. Okay, this is the here closing, so I don't need to here. Yeah, so you can see that I just first condition I just added inside that, and after that, after the getting the index, so we will divide that to 2, and now I'm going to write that false condition. So here I will write here like a sorted number dot gate, and in this gate we need to pass the size, and then size and size divided by 2, and now I'm going to give that semicolon. So let me break the here. So friend, you can see this is the first condition. So you can see here I just used that terminal operator. So in this terminal operator we need to pass the condition. If the condition true, that time it will run the first block. So you can see the first block, and if the condition false, so that time it will run the second block. So this is the terminal operator. So here you see here question marks for the condition, and it's colon for the dividing that block. So after using the terminal operator or conditional operator, now I'm going to print the result here. So I will use here system.out.println, and in this println we need to pass it a median. And friend, my program is completed. Now I'm going to run this main method. So program is just starting to build. So friend, you can see I got the 5. So I will add here some message like median, and I will give the colon and then a space. Now so you can see, so we will get the median 5.0, and now if you see here, this is the odd condition, and now I'm checking that further even condition, and now I'm going to run again this class. So friend, you can see that I just found here median output, and see the sample input. So the 5 whenever run with that same this value, so that time we will get that median 5, and if we use that even number of even element, so that time we will get that even value here 6, and it not even value, but we will get that so it's only dependent on that condition here. So if having that number of element that even, so that time it will run the first block, and if having that odd number of the elements, so that time it will run here. Thank you friend, I will post the code in the Git repository, and I will mention the link in the description box. Thank you friend for your time. and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.